Hello guys, welcome to the new video in our YouTube channel. We are in the koi farm in the koi farm, Brazil. Today I make a lot of job. In this tank have a lot of baby koi. And subscribe the our YouTube channel to help us. Look the baby koi. You see? In this tank have approximately 3,000 baby koi fish. Ok, agora eu vou levantar a tela para que os pássaros não comam os peixes com esses canos aqui, ó. Well, in this video I will show you how to protect fish from birds. Here we use a nylon mesh to prevent birds and large insects from entering to the lakes. I am going to go inside these lakes and put a tile inside them at the bottom and a pipe on top to keep the mesh for up. The tile has laid first to the pipe doesn't tear the tarp. In these small lakes there are 67,000 liters of water. Okay guys, go to the next tank. You managed, nossa, não sei falar essa palavra. We managed the rise 3,000 small koi carps per spawn. Nossa, de novo essa palavra. We managed to do up to 4 spawns per year. So during 1 year, we managed to rise to 12,000 koi carps. Of these 12 koi carps, only 0.03% are high quality koi carp, approximately 4 premium carp. Let's go to the next tank. This tank is not finished. 1% are also quality koi, but below premium quality. 120 super koi. Most koi carp will be sold for 2 Brazilian real. 10% of the carp that watch in these lakes go to bigger lakes to grow more. This is equivalent to 1,200. Okay, thank you to watch this video. Consider subscribing in our YouTube channel. I thank so much to watch this, and press the like button to help us. Okay, and see you later guys. Bye.